everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a wig review for y'all, and I will list the link to the company's Amazon below. But as you can already tell, I got this wig for Amazon. This is how it came packaged and everything that came with it. So it came with one headband, a edge brush, some lashes, earrings, and a wig cap. And that's actually a lot. Okay, y'all. So while I get my edges together and my wig cap together, I'm going to tell y'all a little bit about this wig. So this wig is an 18-inch. It's in the curl Kinky Curly, and it's a headband wig. So this is my first headband wig, but I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all know kind of background. But this is my first headband wig, and y'all, I'm going to go ahead and tell y'all I loved it. Okay, y'all, so I would say that this is a really good wig for beginners. It cost me $75.99. Y'all, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, guys, in the background, y'all. It's literally 6 in the morning. I thought he would be asleep, but girl, he done woke up too while I was editing videos. Okay, so bear with me. Anywho, so this wig was $75.99, and I think it's very affordable, and it's really good quality hair. So lately, I've been doing my edges with the Got to Be Glue gel and spray together because it works really good with laying my edges. Yeah, so after I got my edges together, I'm just going to put this little cotton tie on my head just to hold down my edges and make them dry so that they'll stay in place and last all day. So while that is going on, I'm just going to go ahead and let y'all see the wig. Now, I did wash it the night before just to get like a more natural look, just to see how it will look right after a wash. And right after I got it out of the bag, it just was like really curly, like really curly. Like it wasn't anything special, you know. But after I washed it, I feel like the hair got super soft, and the hair was really nice and really curly. I just loved it. So as you can see, she does have wig combs, and then she has this little band that goes around your head, and you just attach it at the back with the Velcro. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, she is already coming together, okay? And this has to be one of my favorite wigs, like, no lie. So, y'all, anybody can wear this wig. If you have locks, you can wear this wig because you know how your hair grow out, and then you can just put it under a wig cap and, swoop your edges like so. And then just put on the headband wig. You can wear it if you have, longer hair, shorter hair, whatever you have, you can wear it, okay? Okay, so as y'all can see, she is banging. She is giving life. I love this wig. I'm gonna turn around and let y'all see the back as well. Just because, I need y'all to get into it, okay? And she is very easy to maintain. Literally, I just spray water on her and a little conditioner. You know how you mix the conditioner in your water bottle? That's all I do, girl. And then her curls just pop, like, and she's thick, she's full. I love her. She is very good for $75.99, honey. Yes, ma'am. Alright, so now I'm just gonna switch up the headband so y'all can see how that looks. And y'all, I'm super excited. I gotta order me some more headbands though, but this is literally like my forever go-to wig. Like, girl, bad hair day wear. Period. Alright, y'all. So all in all, I rate this wig a 10, y'all. When I tell y'all I'm not getting no shedding or nothing. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.